So when I was growing up, we lived in a house made out of brick. Very early on, when I was like 5, I kind of thought that the 3 little pigs may have had a hand in that choice. But now I realize that it was my parents' idea not to buy a house made out of hay or sticks, which for resale value was a good call on their part. These days, houses are made out of a lot more than brick or wood. And now, recycled materials might just make it a no-brainer to live in a container. Here's Albert and Lawrence to explain.
Believe it or not, this stylish, modern home is built out of some of these. Yep, shipping containers that crisscross the oceans on cargo ships from ports around the world. Turns out, the structural integrity of these containers are perfect materials to frame a building structure, such as a house. I headed north to Washington, Michigan to meet Drake Boroja of Modeco Development, a company specializing in recycling used containers and turning them into stunning, modern-looking homes.
So Albert, this is where it all starts, right? So we drop the boxes down here, and then we start to modify them.
What are the dimensions of this specific storage container?
So we use what's called high cubes, and those are 9 feet 6 inches tall versus the standard, which are 8 feet 6. And they're 8 feet wide, okay? And they're 40 feet deep.
So would you mind showing me exactly like what an actual home made out of these looks like?
Oh yeah, for sure, come on.
Drake took me to a construction site where a new home was being built using 9 containers.
How did this come to be?
I've been building with my brother since I was a tyke. And I was just thinking to myself, why are we building with stick and brick? I mean, we've been doing this since Roman times.
That idea of just seeing a shipping container.
Right.
This is not what shipping containers were built for.
No, they weren't, but they were designed so well. It's meant to transfer materials on the open ocean, hundreds of miles, and keep it wind and water tight. I mean, these things are engineered amazingly.
Drake says there are cost savings to using old containers as building materials. For a traditional style house, the savings can be anywhere from 10 to 15%. But if you dream of a modern designed home, the savings can be as high as 30 to 40%.
So what are you using this container for?
This is the family pool.
This is the pool?
Drake showed me the first container home he and his brother ever built, which sold in just 6 hours.
All right, Albert, this is the house, man. Come on in.
Wow.
Why don't we go upstairs and so you can really, really get a great angle? Check this out.
Well, I know we're always being told to think outside of the box, but good grief, this is what happens when you think inside the box.
Exactly.